The console wars just took a terrifying turn. While we're still arguing if the PS5 Pro is worth it, a massive leak just pulled back the curtain on Sony's next masterpiece, codename Orion, or as you'll know it, the PlayStation 6. But here's the catch, the era of cheap gaming is dead. We're looking at a potential $999 price tag, a neural engine that shrinks your games by 70%, and a strategy so aggressive it might officially kill the physical disc forever. Is Sony building the ultimate gaming machine or a luxury tax for gamers? Today, we're dissecting the Zen 6 architecture, the RDNA 5 leap, and why that tiny 1TB SSD is actually a genius move. Let's dive in. Forget incremental updates. The PS6 is skipping generations. We're talking about a custom APU built on TSMC's 2nm or 3nm process, tech usually reserved for high-end data centers, not your living room. Under the hood, we're expecting a Zen 6 CPU with a hybrid 10-core setup. Think of it like a sports car with a dedicated cruising engine. It handles background tasks without stealing power from your game. But the GPU? That's the star. Sony is jumping straight to RDNA 5, a clean sheet design built specifically for path tracing. We're looking at 52 to 54 compute units clocked at a staggering 4.0 GHz. The goal? 4K at 120 FPS with full lighting realism. But raw power isn't enough anymore. Silicon is getting too expensive. Sony's solution? Artificial intelligence. Enter PSSR 2.0. Unlike PC solutions that use 8-bit floating-point math, Sony is doubling down on INT8 operations, pushing over 300 TOPS of AI performance. It's not just upscaling, it's neural rendering. And then there's the memory apocalypse. RAM and flash prices are skyrocketing, up 90% by 2026. This is why the PS6 might only have a 1TB SSD. Sounds small, right? Not with neural texture compression, NTC. NTC uses AI to shrink game sizes by 70% without losing quality. Your 300GB Call of Duty, it could become less than 100GB. Sony isn't giving you less space, they're making the space you have 3 times more efficient. Now let's talk about your wallet. The bill of materials for the PS6 is estimated at $760. In the past, Sony took a loss on hardware, but with trade tariffs and the AI boom, those days might be over. Expect a tiered launch, a PS6 digital for around $699 and a PS6 Pro or Premium model that could push $999. And yes, the rumors say the disk drive is now an optional detachable accessory. For collectors in Japan and the US, this is a bitter pill to swallow. But check this out. Microsoft isn't staying quiet. Their Project Helix is rumored to be a $1,400 PC console hybrid. Sony's strategy is clear. Be the refined console, while Microsoft goes for raw, expensive PC power. So when can you buy it? Don't hold your breath for 2027. Latest reports suggest a 2028 or 2029 release. Why the delay? Sony is waiting for the memory crisis to cool down and for the ultimate system seller, Grand Theft Auto 5. Sony wants the PS6 to be the definitive place to play GTA 6 with full AI enhancements. The PS6 isn't just a console, it's an AI-native ecosystem, from the Project Amethyst handheld to global AI upscaling for your old PS4 games. The future is smart, not just strong. But I want to hear from you. Would you pay $899 for a console that has no disk drive but runs everything at 120 FPS? Is 1TB enough in an AI world? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.